It is 10 a.m. Let's go check out Allure of the Seas. Alright guys, so this is our balcony room here in Allure of the Seas. This is our third day, so we're about to head out, and every single day you're gonna have one of these towel animals. This time they put a little monkey here, which is pretty neat. So you get a full king size bed. You know, you have both stations on each side. You get this very comfortable sofa. You get a 32-inch TV with enough space in here for 2 or 3 people to be comfortable at least. Right here you got your mirror. Hello everybody. And you have lights for your mirror down here. You also have, right here you have a closet, which I'm not gonna open because we have everything in there right now. And then here you also have another drawer. In the bottom as well, you have a drawer down here. We figured out this late, but here you have more outlets. You also have outlets right here where we have our little station. We have 3 drawers right there. And as usual, you got your mini fridge down here. Now what is very different from the previous one is the bathroom. Now in the bathroom, there's tons of space. Very spacious compared to other boats that we've been in. Hello. And the shower as well has tons of space. Like if you see the print in the bottom, you'll know that there's more space. But there is a lot of space, and this room is very nice. And when you wake up, you get to see this lovely view. And that is the Bahamas. Well, the water up. But yeah, this is the balcony stateroom here in Allure of the Seas.